What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In few videos I'll show you how to replace original lifelike coupler, standard for N-scale, old school, with micro trains. You probably already did it, but just in case who bought this from eBay or something, this is locomotive from 90s, middle of 90s. So here we go, using this conversion kit. Here we go, and it's two pairs, so it should be like 4 parts, that assembly of the coupler. They give you extra imitating like hose, those metal pieces. I'm calling it a spring holder, also a bunch of springs just in case, because they're flying usually out. Okay, so first of all you need take the truck from assembly. To do this with the pin, just need to push this rod, okay, out. Be careful with oops, see, should be very careful. Be careful with this rod and the gear, so gear will be loose. You save it for later, of course. Now we're going to take that coupler. So it's usually explanation here, and there is small manual, very detailed actually here. So we're just doing figure 2. I'm using tweezers. So kind of push it this way a little bit. See, they try to, it's not gonna happen like immediately, but few tries. Just be careful because the whole construction is means in one piece. Of course, when I'm recording it's not happening immediately, but I'll try my best. So here we go. Yeah, so be careful with the spring here. There is original spring, so it may be flying out, but you will use those from the kit. So I'm usually saving everything for some other project, so that's how it looks like. All right, move it this way. Okay, then we'll do next figure. Actually they are assembling in figure 4, but we need to do a little bit preparation, because figure 7, that should be a little bit earlier, but that's fine. I need to cut few pieces here and cut that. So I'm going to cut everything here and that pin. Okay, then because it's a little bit newer model, I think that's what they're saying. Anyway, I'll show you in the next video. We're just not overwhelming. So easy peasy. Looks like a little bit different. I have identical that the other locomotive, but okay. For cutting, I'm using those Tamiya cutters, but in this case I will use just X-Acto knife. Just a little bit sharpening at the end. Yes, that's perfect. Very slow, should be no rush with this. Just cut that pin out. I'm not editing that video. You'll see it's original, like how long it takes. I won't use Dremel or anything. See how, here we go, just clean cut. All right, just need to refresh my memory. Yeah, they cleaning, totally cleaning. It's upside down. Yes, it should be upside down, and they cleaning this. So cutting that piece between. I'm checking with this one. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Yes, straight cut. It's look a little bit different, so definitely maybe some extra. Here we go. What I recommend, I'm not going to do it right now, but just kind of before the second part, I will clean all those extra, you know, just with X-Acto knife. I won't use Dremel or anything, just kind of carefully take all those extra pieces away. Maybe even using, yeah, looks like this looks different. And some file. All right. So next time I'll show you how I put everything together. It will be already assembled because you're not gonna see anything except my fingers. Yes, it's kind of very small items. Anyway, that will be all for today. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like support channel, there is join membership button. Have a good one. Bye bye.